I come to your house for votation. I also dating you when that's
See after.
There's both the voter apathy, no doubt. However, I believe that there are many more people who want to come out to express their franchise, but the overwhelming presence of security men and the lockdown of the city. If I were not the governor, I'm not sure I would have been able to get to my polling unit. I mean, the lockdown is extreme, so I'm appealing that it be relaxed while, security adequate measures are taken to monitor and police people's activities, but not prevent people from getting to their polling units. Right now, people are being prevented or they're being deterred from going to vote. So we're saying there should be some balance. This is extreme. You can see that it's a totally different mood today compared to what happened on February 25th. That was an aberration.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.